As your GMAT score gets higher, it gets harder and harder to improve. So if you're looking for a top score, you might find that you hit a plateau along the way, particularly in the high 600s. At Manhattan Prep, we see this happen a lot. That's why we've designed an advanced GMAT course exclusively for students currently scoring a 650 and above. If you're already scoring strong, but you want to go even higher, this is the course for you. All of our instructors have themselves scored a 760 or higher. They'll use their years of insight and experience to help you master the most difficult GMAT content. This course includes 15 hours of fast-paced live instruction, access to all of our online resources, including 6 full-length practice tests, and our full set of books. Additionally, you can supplement live instruction with Interact, our choose-your-own-adventure video lessons that allow you to learn or review wherever and whenever you have time. If you're pursuing an exceptional GMAT score, this course will help you clear the final hurdles standing between you and your goal.